Hey guys, it's Devyn here, and I'm in Hawaii. I'm traveling all around the world learning about global foods. Today, let's learn how to make chocolate. First, we need some cocoa beans, and they come from the cacao tree. We know the cacao tree has been used for over 5,000 years. The cocoa bean is the seed of the cacao tree. Step 1, roast the cocoa beans. We kept it simple and used a coffee roaster for this process. Step 2, remove the shell from the bean. You can even do this with a juicer. After that, the shell is broken. Step 3, separate the chocolate from the shell. These tiny pieces of chocolate are called nibs. Nibs look a lot like chocolate chips, but they're not sweet. Then it's time to get cooking. Step 4, measure the chocolate nibs. To make milk chocolate, you need 4 ingredients: cocoa, cocoa butter, powdered milk, sugar. You need each of these in exactly equal parts. We used coconut milk powder to make it a special something. The mélange grinds the coffee nibs into a thick liquid. Step 5, blend all the ingredients together. Step 6, pour it into a chocolate. Let the chocolate get hard and then knock it out gently. Finally, enjoy! Delicious!